Welcome to our channel. Today. We're diving into a simple, clear guide on how to verify your Squarespace Commerce account without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of verifying your Squarespace Commerce account step by step, so you can start selling with confidence. First things first, make sure you have an active Squarespace website with the Commerce feature enabled. Next, go to your Squarespace dashboard and navigate to the Commerce section. Here you'll find the option to set up payments, which is essential for verification. Click on the Payments tab and select your preferred payment processor such as Stripe or PayPal. Once you've connected a payment processor, the verification process begins automatically. Now you need to provide some basic business information, including your business name, address, tax ID number, and possibly your bank account details for deposits. Take your time here, as accurate information speeds up the approval process. After submitting your info, Squarespace or the payment processor will usually send you an email requesting additional documents for identity verification. These could be a government-issued ID, proof of address, or business registration documents. Upload clear scans or photos of these documents through the secure link provided. Remember to check your email regularly for follow-up requests or confirmation messages. A key tip is to make sure your account's email matches the one on your verification documents to avoid delays. Once all documents are verified, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Your Squarespace Commerce account is now ready to process payments securely and start managing your orders efficiently. In case you encounter any issues, Squarespace's Help Center offers detailed guides and support chats. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Finally, always keep your account information up to date and securely backed up so future verifications go smoothly and your online store runs without interruptions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video for more helpful tutorials and updates.